Smoking is a detrimental habit that harms health to a great extent. Nicotine in cigarettes causes issues such as lung damage, hypertension and heart issues. It also accelerates metabolic syndrome, diabetes 2, and insulin sensitivity, and even after giving up, it remains in the system. Nicotine also affects the thyroid and the pituitary functions and reduces the adrenal and sex hormones. The nicotine enters the skin, mouth, lungs, and the mucus layer 10 seconds after you inhale it, through the blood, arrives at the brain. The following foods can help you cleanse the body of nicotine. Water. It detoxes the body through the skin and rehydrates it from dehydrating nicotine. Make sure you consume 8-12 glasses daily. Carrot juice is high in vitamin B, C, A, K, and detoxifies the body, and makes the skin smooth, fresh, and glowing. Orange. It is high in vitamin C and other nutrients, and reduces stress and treats anxiety. Broccoli. It is high in B5 and C vitamin, which are beneficial for the lungs. Dry herbs. They are rich in vitamin A and D and reduce nicotine levels. Kiwi is abundant in vitamin C, A and E, which are deficient in the body of a smoker. Pomegranate. It boosts blood flow and enhances blood analyses. Spinach. It is high in vitamins and folic acid, and after its consumption, the taste of tobacco is disgusting. Therefore, consume these foods if you want to quit smoking or at least to freshen the body and cleanse it from the harmful nicotine.